What's going on, team? It's your boy Pitbull. We're back at it again with another breakdown. This week I'm gonna be doing cold signals, so please do whatever you gotta do. Turn on your post notifications, whatever it is you gotta do. I will be sending out cold signals, so I'm gonna be telling you when to buy NAS, right? 100, when to sell, and what my stop loss is going to be throughout the week, and then we will be trading live Tokyo session. I'm gonna try my best to set up the live. If not, then I'll be doing cold signals as well for Tokyo. Bear with me, guys. This month of November, before the end of the year, we're gonna make it right. We're gonna be killing shit. I just got a lot of things I gotta do over there in Naples, but I will be sending out cold signals, and I will be talking about a trade idea in today's breakdown. So pay attention to that. Let's get right into it. First, let's look at news. Make sure we don't got nothing popping this week. See, Monday seems to be beautiful. We got nothing AUD, nothing that's gonna affect this Tokyo session either. Tuesday we got CPI. Okay, so prior to market open, so we gotta pay attention to that. And AUD red folders. JPY we got 11:30, so we gotta watch out for that because I'm gonna be trading JPY most likely, JPY and USD. So let's see. Wednesday we got PPI prior to market open. We'll have crude oil at 10:30 and then AUD at 7:30. JPY yellow folder. Crazy. Thursday we got prior to market open. Okay, we should be good, man. This week we look pretty solid. Friday we are solid as well. Let's get right into this breakdown, guys. Let's go jump into our monthly time frames. I am going to get rid of some of these lines this week, so let's jump right back into our monthly time frame. Let's go ahead and reset these charts. First, let's identify this trend, right? Let me get rid of some of these lines. We'll talk about the ones that I do want to keep. I do want to keep this demand zone here on the monthly time frame that I got. This block right here, where we previously bounced from before. You can see we tapped into here, bounce off EMA, bounce off this block, boom, bullish engulfing candlestick going on. Are we going to be chasing new highs? If we focus on market structure, we can see market came up, right? Boom, retest, broke this structure zone here, right? Came back, retested it. This is now on the monthly time frame, right? So we're on the high time frame, and now we are getting a bullish engulfing candlestick. Of course, this has to close. It's gonna be a long way to the side, but we are it looks like we are continuing this bullish momentum. So overall, the monthly, we're still pushing up. Like I said, I want to keep this monthly demand here, and then I do want to add this monthly supply here. So let's go ahead, see if this correlates with the weekly. We'll see that. Let's see. Get rid of this, come in here and draw out our boom. I want to make it a this. I want to go in here, monthly supply. So we can see once we came into the zone prior, right? Market push down from it. So now I want to see a full break above the zone for me to come retest these last monthly highs. This is the next monthly supply I'm going to keep, and this has been here with us for months, right? So this is the next level I'm going to keep, because if we do come trade back above this zone here, this is going to be my target, my first target for long, and we're 600 pips away from there. So more than enough pips to catch. We just have to see full closure back above that zone. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this zone like I said. Go ahead and type monthly supply. Make my text, I'll leave it black, that's fine. And I'm going to make my line black. Boom. We understand that is a monthly supply. We do got a potential bounce on here on the monthly. So I'm going to go ahead and type in monthly demand. If we do come trade back above, back under here, as we can see, we traded above this level. We failed to break above. Once she finally closed above, she pushed. So we close back above this level. I'm going to be looking for longs as long as she holds that level there. So I'm going to leave that. That is 14,935 area, 14,935, and then our supply, that's where our demand is sitting. And then our supply is going to be sitting at 15,800 area. So let's step down into our weekly. Now we can see, zoom in a little bit better. You can see market was creating lower lows, right? We created a demand here. So this weekly demand, I love it. It's correlating. You can see she pushed from it, closed above, pushed, came back, pushed, came back, pushed, finally closed on the push down, bounced off this monthly demand. Now we getting a full bullish engulfing candlestick, closed above. Now she closed back above this, which I believe it's a 4-hour. So I'm gonna leave this order block here, see if I can move it just a second once we go zoom in back into our smaller time frames. But I do understand we are trading now from here to here. So this is where we're capitalizing, right? From, I want to see price come into this zone here, bounce, maybe reject this highs. If we get a closure above, like I said, I'm going to be looking for longs back all the way up to this monthly high, right? Monthly supply. If we get rejection, this is the trade idea, hint, hint, that I was looking for. If we do get a rejection, I'm going to be looking for shorts back into this range. Now we are extremely overbought, right? Just based off previous rejection levels, right? We can see, depending on how this weekly candlestick closes and this daily, right? You can see we've rejected this area before here at 15,475, right? We do end up closing above. We're looking good for the bears. I mean, for the bulls, right? But if we do reject this, I'm personally going to be taking the next leg of structure down. This is just a trade idea. Now, if I do end up taking the trade, I'm going to send out the call signal. You guys will be able to get in this trade with me. And I'm going to be taking the next leg down, targeting very small amount of pips, right, in and out, because we are extremely bullish. So I'm going to mark this level, this area here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put a box on it, just because I want to see what price does as she's back in this range. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this 4-hour. I want to see what price does once she's back in this range. I'm going to go ahead and type in here, make sure that I understand it is a weekly supply. So we're going to put it inside. Boom. All right, cool. Let's jump back into, we got a weekly demand down here that I like. It's respecting. I love it. I'm going to keep this weekly demand. This level is at 14,676. Let's jump into our daily. In our daily, we can see how price reacted when she came back in this range. You can see momentum died out. She came back, bearish engulfing candlestick, and she fell from there, right? So that's what I'm looking for coming into this same area, right? I want to see if price is going to reject. We are about to close. We had a bullish run, right? Pullback, and it's depending on how this daily candle closes. She is bullish engulfing. So with this bullish momentum, I don't suggest taking shorts, right? But I am going to be looking for the next leg down if around this area, if she gives me an indication, right? So on the daily, I want to see how she reacts. I'm going to just draw a horizontal line here, right? This is going to be a key level for me. All right, we look left, you can see price bounce from this area multiple times. So rejection, full closure above, and I want to see how she acts back into this area. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my daily. I'm just going to put daily level, just because I want to see what she does when she closes above or when she closes under. and that's gonna be at 15,356. Let's jump into our 4-hour. On this 4-hour, I do see that we're back around this range. She's giving me no indication that she wants to fall from this area, so I'm honestly going to be looking for a pullback throughout the week, maybe catch some shorts to then catch the longs. Maybe we can come back to retest this monthly high / supply area, which would be awesome. We're 600-700 pips away from there. We have to wait for candlestick closure. Once we get that, then we could take it. But yeah, as for intraday levels, I'll be sending you guys pictures on the group chat tomorrow morning, before trading or Tuesday morning. So I'll see you guys on the live, and let's kill this week. Let's end this month strong. And y'all already know.